This video shows how to properly change the pump in your Portacool Jetstream 220 and 230 portable evaporative cooler. To begin, ensure the evaporative cooler is unplugged and on a level surface. Remove media flap from the back of the evaporative cooler and then remove the Cool Comfort evaporative media. Locate the control box inside the evaporative cooler and remove the 2 screws to loosen the cover. Disconnect the pump cord, which is the medium-sized quick connect plug. Cut the zip ties holding the cords together, making sure to not cut the electrical wires. Remove the 2 screws holding the pump bracket to the housing. Pull the bracket and pump from the housing. Remove the worm gear clamp holding the hose to the pump. Then remove the pump from the bracket. Place the new pump under the bracket and replace the hose, securing it with the worm gear clamp. Place the pump and bracket back in the evaporative cooler and secure it with 2 screws. Connect the new pump cord to the control box and gently place the cords in the control box. Close the box cover and secure it with 2 screws. Zip tie the electrical cords to the brace and clip the ends. Replace the evaporative media, paying close attention to the stickers on the evaporative media. The arrow sticker should point up and inward on each piece. Replace the evaporative media flap and secure it with screws.